Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Scripture Stamp Club reveal. This is for December of 2024. And before I flip this over, I want to remind you of something. Every month, Sylvia does sample pages for you, and she posts them over on the product page for this stamp set. So if you want some extra inspiration, more than what I'm going to show you in the samples today, head over there and see how she did that. I love how she lays it all out with what she had designed, so you can really see all the ways you can use the stamp set. So go check that out. And it's always there for your inspiration, because when you get ready to make a card, just go open this product page, and there is the inspiration for you. All right, let's check this one out. This one is called In His Time. And I'm going to tell y'all, I have wanted to make this one for years. Sylvia will tell you, every year she's like, clock, she'll ask me, and I'm like, no, not this year, not this year. It always gets pushed aside, but this year we decided to go with it, and here is the best part. It's this guy right here. I wanted to do this kind of big pocket watch situation, and I wanted to talk about time and God's time. You know, things don't happen in our time, they happen in God's time, and I think this is a good sentiment set, these two scriptures, to remind people of that during the year. So let's look at those first. So, He hath made everything beautiful in His time. To everything there is a season, and to a season and a time to every purpose under heaven. And how do you use this? Check this out. This is your pocket watch. Notice there are no hands. You have two different styles of hands you can use. One that's a little more dressy, one that's a little more simple. And you can set the time to be whatever you want it to be. This piece stamps right here. If you stamp it right to the edge of this little guy right here, it becomes the locket closure of your pocket watch, right? All of these pieces are for you to put in different little places to dress the guy up. And then, of course, we give you this big old clock so you can use it as well, and a little chain to put on your pocket watch. Now, I think it'd be cute if you use this for party invitations. How cute to put the time of the party on the clock like that, like you're invited with the time. I think that'd be really cute. Also, you could punch this out or die cut this out and just have a clock without the alarm part around it, but I love the little alarm clock part. Okay, so let's look at the samples that Miss Geneva did for us this month. First, we'll start with one that I think is really pretty. Very simple. If you're not sure how to use the clock, look how pretty this is. She used the sentiment on some beautiful paper, so let the paper do the work, a little bit of some seam tape, and then when you get inside, there's a pocket with a tag that you could add a sentiment to with handwriting or anything there. And then look, this is a perfect place. Those little frilly little pieces right there are perfect to go like with a sentiment right here. Wouldn't that be cool? Love how she did that one. So that's sample number one. Sample number two looks like this. Isn't this great? She did a pocket out of cardstock, okay? And then she tucked the little pocket watch down inside, and she did the chain. And there's her little hands that she stamped there. Isn't that great? And then on the inside, she's got this one hanging from the side of the card. So pretty. And then her last sample is this one. Look how cute. And this little clock wiggles. He's on like a little wobble. Isn't that cute? Love that. And you see the little, because he wiggles and the alarm clock goes off, you see the little pieces there. And look on the inside. So cute. Love it. Love her sample. She did such a good job. And I can't wait to see what you do with this guy. I think there's a lot of places to use this in your card making and even in your journaling. If you're a scripture artist, if you do like, if you do heart journaling, that's one thing. This would be a good place to use that. Now remember, if you do use this in any project, if you snap a photo of that project, post it on our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, it enters you to win a $50 gift card. We do this every month, and you might have won last month's. So to see if you did, be sure to open the description of this video and take the top line, and that's where we'll see if you were the winner. If you were, congratulations. And if not, I can't wait to see what you make for next time to enter to win. Hey, thanks so much for being a part of our club, and until next time, bye now.